ready to bend Midjourney to your artistic will. Style reference, or SREF, is your secret weapon for controlling Midjourney's artistic direction, guiding the AI towards the exact aesthetic you envision. Let's dive in. First, you need a base image, or a set of images, whose style you want to emulate. Think of it as a mood board for the AI. You will need the URL for each image. Now, use the Imagine command, followed by your prompt describing what you want to create. Keep it simple to start, like a flower. Next, add SREF, followed by the URL of your style reference image. If you want to use multiple images, simply add more URLs, separated by spaces, after the SREF tag. Remember, each URL contributes to the final style. Observe the results. You'll notice Midjourney now blends your prompt with the visual characteristics of the reference image, influencing color palettes, textures, and overall artistic feel. To control the intensity of the style influence, use the SW parameter, followed by a number. 0 minimizes the style effect, while 1000 maximizes it. Experiment to find the sweet spot. SREF is all about experimentation. Play with different reference images, prompts, and SW values to discover the full potential of this powerful tool. Now go forth and create.